What's up, AI enthusiasts? Welcome back to Pacey AI, your go-to source for the latest in artificial intelligence. I'm absolutely buzzing today because Microsoft just dropped something huge that's going to revolutionize how we work with spreadsheets. If you've ever spent hours wrestling with Excel formulas or trying to make sense of complex data, today's announcement is going to blow your mind. We're talking about AI that can literally think through your spreadsheet problems with you. Hit that like button if you're ready to see the future of productivity tools. So here's what Microsoft just announced. They're bringing their powerful Copilot AI directly into Excel. This isn't just another feature update, folks. This is Excel getting a brain transplant. Imagine having a data analyst sitting right there in your spreadsheet, ready to help you create formulas, analyze trends, and even explain what your data means in plain English. The AI can understand natural language commands, so instead of memorizing complex Excel functions, you can literally just tell it what you want to accomplish. Let me break down why this is absolutely revolutionary. First, natural language formula creation. You can type something like calculate the average sales for the last quarter and watch Excel build the formula for you. Second, intelligent data analysis. The AI can spot patterns and trends you might miss entirely. And third, automated insights. It can actually suggest what questions you should be asking about your data. This is like having a business intelligence expert embedded right in your spreadsheet software. Think about what this means for productivity across industries. Small business owners can now perform advanced data analysis without hiring specialists. Students can tackle complex assignments with AI guidance. Marketing teams can generate insights from campaign data in seconds instead of hours. This democratizes advanced Excel skills and puts enterprise-level data analysis capabilities into everyone's hands. The learning curve for Excel just got flattened completely. This Excel Copilot integration represents exactly what we've been talking about on this channel: AI that enhances human capability rather than replacing it. Microsoft is making advanced data analysis accessible to everyone, and that's the future of productivity tools right there. What do you think? Are you excited to try Excel Copilot? Drop a comment below and let me know how you'd use this in your workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell because the AI revolution is moving fast and you don't want to miss the next big announcement. Until next time, keep staying ahead of the AI curve.